my name is Anya and today we're going to make some monkey bread with a caramel sauce. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 3 cups of flour, add in 3 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined. Set aside. In a bowl with a 1/3 cup of warm milk, add in 2 1/4 teaspoons of dry yeast and mix until the yeast dissolves. Allow the mixture to sit for 5 minutes until it's foamy. Add the yeast and water mixture to the flour mixture as well as 4 eggs. Mix with a dough hook until the mixture resembles shaggy dough. Add in 1 cup of butter that has been beaten until light and fluffy. Add this in 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix until the dough is smooth and elastic. Place the dough into a buttered dish, wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for an hour to rise. Remove the dough from the fridge and punch it down a bit. Place the dough into a dish and wrap in cling film. Place in the freezer for 20 minutes just to firm the dough up. Butter your bunnet pan and cover in sugar. In a bowl with 3/4 cup of sugar, add in 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and mix until well combined. Remove your dough from the freezer and egg wash it. Then dust with cinnamon sugar. And don't be silly like me, remember to egg wash and dust with cinnamon sugar before cutting. Cut your dough into squares about a 12 by 6 grid, but it doesn't really matter, just cut squares. Roll each square into a ball and roll into some cinnamon sugar. Place in a bunnet pan. And continue doing this for all the dough pieces. Place your butter pan into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Allow to rest for 15 minutes before removing from your tin. Remove your monkey bread from the bunnet pan and place a serving plate over it. Invert your monkey bread. And normally this is how you would serve it with caramel. Unfortunately, I didn't think it looked so pretty, so I inverted it back. Pour some caramel sauce on top. And enjoy pulling pieces off of your monkey bread.